Welcome back to the ShockerRacing Garage. I'm going to do a quick video for you guys today because I've been searching on trying to figure out how to remove the windows out of a Jeep Wrangler JL. I found a lot of videos on how to take the door panels off, so I'm not going to do that. They're super simple and super easy, but I want to show you how to actually remove the side windows, both the front window and the rear windows, including this little quarter window on the Jeep Wrangler JL. Super easy. I can't believe how easy this works. You basically, once the door panel's off, you pop this trim piece out, and then this actually pulls up and out of the track here. Okay, so you can pull that down all the way till you get to the window, and then this will actually pull up and out, okay? Once that's out, it's literally just one 10mm bolt. So grab your ratchet, keep a hand on the window here. Once that bolt is out, you literally just start to pivot the window in. And eventually, you'll be able to pull it out just like that. And the quarter window is out. Okay, so to do the main window, to actually take this one out, what you want to do is this plug here just pops out, and that's going to give you access to a bolt that's inside there holding the window in. But what you need to do is I plugged the door back in, and I'm going to run the window up just a little bit carefully because the track is not in here anymore. So I'm going to run it up just enough to give me access to the bolt, and you'll see it's going to come up. You'll see it's blue. So you see the plug there and the bolt, and I believe this one is still a 10mm. Yes, it is. Okay, so and this one, it would help to have an extra hand, but you just gotta loosen it and keep a hand on the window. Okay, so the bolt's out again, just another 10mm. And now I should be able to just lift this window up and out carefully. And just like that, I've removed the entire back glass. All right, so moving to the front window, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is pull all the trim. Sorry for the dinging, I've got the key on because we are gonna have to roll the window up a little bit. This just pulls up and out. And then you're gonna wanna work the rest of this, which is a couple of pieces here. So you've got one lower piece that, let's see which one I can get started easier. This one will pull out easier. Start just by working that around. And then this goes kind of way down in there. So, well, this one's short, but this side goes way down in the track, so you're gonna have to pull it up quite a bit. Get that whole piece of rubber out. And then this one here, you can just kind of work up. That dinging is obnoxious, sorry about that. There we go, and it just pops up and out. This you don't really need off, although I probably need to pull that. All right, and then going back to the inside here, just like on the rears, you're gonna pop these both open. There are two bolts that are gonna be in here. You'll notice once I run the window up, you'll see a blue and a white one. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna keep my hand on the window because there's nothing to keep it. So you can see there's a white and a blue, and we're just gonna undo those. They're both 10mm. I'm gonna shut that off because that's obnoxious. One. And again, I'm gonna keep a hand on the window while I do this one because I don't think it can drop in there, but I don't want to take that chance. All right. Second one out. Now, I'm keeping a hand on this. And what you're going to want to do, this one's a little trickier to get out. All right, so you just got to make sure you give it a good tug up to get it to release. And then what you'll notice is if you pay attention here where this angle is, if you start to kind of rotate the glass down in, as you bring up the other side, it will pivot up and out. All right, so that's gonna wrap up the window removal video here. Super easy. I'm still shocked at how simple Jeep made this to remove the windows. I think all said and done, 20 minutes to pull all 4 windows out, including the little quarter windows. So super easy removal. If you enjoyed this video or we helped you out, give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment below and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.